Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm David, one of the many cash register guys here at National Business Systems. Today, what I wanted to talk to you about is support for your cash register or point of sale system. We offer support in many different forms. When you buy your register from us, you might have paid us to program it. That automatically includes 6 months of support. If you didn't pay us to program it, you have a warranty period but no support. So we offer support in a couple different ways. One of the most popular methods is a program that we call our Gold Support program. When you purchase Gold Support, which is at the time of filming of this video, is $300 a year or $25 a month, and you can pay for it per month. We'll sell you Gold Support and support your system whether you bought it from us or not. It really doesn't matter, and that happens a lot where people have bought it from somebody else that really didn't know the register, or they bought it secondhand, whatever happened. We'll still support you, and you can even put that on a Gold Support program. So Gold Support doesn't cover parts, it just covers support. So we'll help you figure out how to take a report, how to change your taxes, how to add cashiers, whatever it is you need. We're available for you Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 during our regular business hours. If you don't want a Gold Support, and let's say you just need support really rarely, we also offer that on a per hourly basis. And our minimum is only a half an hour. So you can call us and book a half hour with one of our technicians, and our technician will call you and help you with whatever it is that you need. All of our technicians are very, very knowledgeable about these registers. We sell a lot of them, we program a lot of them, and we support a lot of them. We're talking thousands and thousands and thousands across the country. So if you're looking for support, you're frustrated trying to figure it out on your own, or you just want a good, dependable support system, let us be your IT system, your IT department in that regards. So give us a call at 1-800-863-2274. Whoever answers the phone can hook you up with support. Just tell them you either want to buy a half hour of support or you want to enroll in the Gold Support program. 1-800-863-2274 or on the web, cashregisterguys.com. Thanks a lot.